Welcome, esteemed subscribers, to another compelling episode on our channel, where we delve into the shadowy intersections of true crime, judicial oversights, and the enduring debates surrounding capital punishment. If you are a new viewer discovering our content today, I urge you to hit the subscribe button now to join our community and ensure you never miss these thought-provoking narratives that challenge perceptions of justice. Your engagement amplifies our reach and fosters deeper discussions. Today, we examine the harrowing case of George Edward McFarland, a man whose 1992 conviction for capital murder in Houston exposed glaring flaws in the American legal system. At age 32, McFarland, with a prior record including burglary, was implicated in the November 15, 1991, robbery and fatal shooting of Kenneth Kwan, the owner of Kim's Grocery. Prosecutors alleged that McFarland and an accomplice tailed Kwan as he carried a bag containing thousands in cash from his store to his car, ambushing him in the parking lot. One pressed a gun to a security guard's head, disarming him, before Kwan was shot in the head and the money stolen. Arrested shortly after, McFarland maintained his innocence amid circumstantial evidence, but his trial became infamous not just for the crime's brutality but for the profound incompetence in his defense, raising questions about fairness in death penalty cases that continue to resonate today. Convicted swiftly and sentenced to death, McFarland arrived on Texas death row on September 29, 1992, where he has languished for over 3 decades, his appeals highlighting a scandalous detail. His lead attorney, John Venn, an elderly lawyer hired on dubious advice, repeatedly slept through critical portions of the proceedings, including witness testimonies and prosecutorial arguments. Despite the judge's awareness, dismissing it as Ben merely resting his eyes, and the inexperience of co-counsel, the conviction stood, upheld through exhaustive state and federal reviews, including denials by the U.S. Supreme Court. Now in his mid-60s and still awaiting execution as of late 2025, McFarland's story underscores systemic issues like inadequate representation, racial disparities in sentencing. Is a black defendant in Harris County, a hot issue as of late 2025. McFarland's story underscores systemic issues like inadequate representation, racial disparities in sentencing. Is a black defendant in Harris County, a hotspot for capital punishments in the protracted agony of death row, igniting viral debates on whether such cases exemplify justice or judicial failure. If this account stirs your interest in exploring more untold stories of legal inequities, like, share, and comment below to propel these conversations forward.